Buy jewelry directly from factories in India with EasyLine.com. EasyLine allows customers and businesses around the world to buy jewelry directly from top factories in India, ensuring authenticity, quality, and the best factory prices. What makes EasyLine different? Factory direct sourcing. EasyLine connects you directly with verified jewelry manufacturers in India, eliminating unnecessary middlemen and reducing costs. Authentic Indian craftsmanship. Access beautifully crafted replicas and custom jewelry made by skilled Indian artisans. Sample orders available. Order a sample piece before purchasing in bulk to check the quality and design accuracy. Worldwide delivery. EasyLine safely delivers jewelry products to customers in over 100 countries using trusted logistics and insurance options. Secure transactions. All purchases are processed through secure and verified payment systems for your peace of mind. With EasyLine, experience the beauty, precision, and value of India's world-renowned jewelry industry, delivered straight from the factory to your doorstep.